This morning, I have important news to share on vaccines. From day one of this crisis, our government's top priority has been protecting people around the country. Since March, we've procured billions of pieces of PPE and secured millions of rapid tests, which we have sent to the provinces and territories to get to the front lines. We've also provided tens of billions of dollars to the provinces and territories for healthcare, essential workers, and school safety. We're using every tool in the toolbox to keep people safe and get Canada through the storm. It's been a difficult year, and we're not out of the crisis yet. But now, vaccines are coming. We are facing the largest immunization in the history of our country. This is no small task, which is why we have a clear plan. Our government, through the National Operations Centre, has been working with the provinces and territories to ensure that we're ready to roll out vaccine doses as soon as they're approved and delivered. On procurement of these vaccines, Minister Anand and her team have been working tirelessly to secure the most diverse portfolio of vaccines in the world, and today we see those efforts paying off. Canada has secured an agreement with Pfizer to begin early delivery of doses of their vaccine candidate. We are now contracted to receive up to 249,000 of our initial doses of Pfizer-BioNTech's COVID-19 vaccine in the month of December. Pending Health Canada approval, the first shipment of doses is tracking for delivery next week. Shipments will continue to arrive into 2021 with millions of doses on the way. This will move us forward on our whole timeline of vaccine rollout and is a positive development in getting Canadians protected as soon as possible. Pfizer, the Public Health Agency, and the provinces are working together to finalize preparations at the first 14 vaccination sites this week. I want to assure Canadians that any vaccine approved in Canada will be safe and effective. The regulatory process is ongoing and experts are working around the clock. They will uphold Canada's globally recognized gold standard for medical approvals. While vaccines are on the horizon, remember, they cannot protect you if you get COVID-19 now. I know this winter will be hard, especially with the holidays fast approaching. But we're coming into the final miles of this crisis, so let's all buckle down and do what's necessary to keep ourselves and others safe. Over the last few days, we've seen new records of COVID-19 cases in a number of provinces. Hospitalizations are rising, families are losing people, and our most vulnerable are at risk. Just because we're getting closer to vaccines doesn't mean we can afford to become complacent. And on the other hand, just because the numbers are spiking doesn't mean we should give up in despair. Let's keep working together. And let's remember that together we will get through this.